is how I took the biggest L in history. For weeks, I've been trying to get Mr. Beast's attention. I got a face tattoo, spent $40,000 on billboards, and even tried to clone him. We finally got a response, but it was not what we expected.
Guy right here spent $40,000 on billboards to get my attention, and I went to DM him, but he doesn't follow me.
This was such a big L, and that's not even the worst part. Then my account got deleted. I need everyone to like and follow the journey to getting my account back and collabing with Mr. Beast. This is how I took the